Here's an update on the Coleman heat pump. It's running good still to this day. Tough old unit, I'll tell you. It's a real humid day today, so it's getting after it there. I did have to charge it this year. I had to add, I think, about 1 pound and 9 ounces, something like that. I'll go back to my file and look that up and make sure I'm right on that. But it took 1 pound and 9 ounces to get it up to par this year, so it's got a leak somewhere. I suspect the evaporator, but I'm not sure. Haven't ever been able to pick anything up, but it's got streaks on it. But it's running good inside and change the media filter, because it's not been quite a year. It's been about 11 months, but it only runs in the summer. Alright, I'm going to shut it down now. It's saying change filter, of course, but we'll reset that. Gone. Alright, let me shut it down so I can change the filter. First time it's been on off in a long time. Alright, let me get to this filter down here. Alright. While we're waiting on the blower delay, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Take the grill off so I can clean the dust off of it. Facts here ready to go. 1969 model, by the way. I usually change it once a year. This one's put in 9/28 of 20, but it looks pretty dirty, and I just happened to get my filter order in a little early this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. It never hurts to have a fresh one. And I'm using the Honeywell FC40R 1144 MERV 10 3-inch media filter for a filter grill. It is pretty dirty, as you can see. Pretty dark. Especially compared to this new one over here I've got ready to go in. See, big difference. Big difference. I'll take a look in here at the evaporator. Thing looks clean in there. Everything stays really clean behind that filter. It's not dusty at all in there. It's very, very good. That is an old, that's a lead for an old electronic air cleaner I had when I first put this unit in 20 years ago, but I just never have taken it loose from the air hammer up there. But let me look in that evaporator. I want to see. They found me a light here. There you go. Get in here and see if I can see what that coil looks like. Yeah, it don't look too bad for 20 years old. But I suspect that's where the refrigerant leak is. Anyway, I'll get this new filter put in. This thing turned back on before the temperature rises, and it rises quick in this uninsulated room here. I'll write the date on there. This is August 20th. And I always like to keep a history of the last one too, just so I keep up with how often it's being changed. In fact, on this one I've got history going back to 2017. I think I'll go ahead and add that too. Alright, got my history updated there. Put the new one in. Kind of tough to get in there because I've got the air stripping around the filter here to keep just a real tight seal around the filter. There we go. Ready to go. Ready to go again. Here's that old one. It's still see light through it, but it's getting pretty dirty. It's amazing how much longer these last than 1-inch filters. It's just amazing. Anyway, all ready to go. Turn this thing back on. Back in business. Nice clean filter. Properly charged. Ready to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.